sure they won't find us here? Alright, I mean, I trust you. But I don't know if I can control my nose. You're gonna have to help me out. You just put your finger under my nose. Maybe it'll help hold it back. Oh, it actually worked. I'm surprised. I know it. Fuck. Maybe you're just gonna have to help me. Just help me muffle them, because I can't control them. It's so tickly. So hard to control them. I don't know how long I can keep these in for. So tickly. Fuck, I think you gotta help me. Stifle that spit in my nose for me. Oh, it should work. I just can't do it myself right now. Just fuck. Sorry, I just made a mess all over you. Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. I feel like I'm just bad. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're a trooper for dealing with this. Oh, fuck me. Oh. I wish we had tissues. I'm making a fucking mess. I just have to sneeze on you at this point. Are you sure you don't mind? I feel bad. I'm so sorry. It's such a mess. Oh, such a mess. Fuck me. So I think we should just let them find us. Like, hide and seek is not that important. I just want to go through my nose. I'm being too loud anyway. They might as well just find us. I don't know how much longer I can do this. This is like torture. Alright, if I sneeze like 5 more times, we just gotta get the fuck out of here. Cause I can't do this. Fucking 10 minutes. My whole face burns. There's so much pollen in here. I think we're gonna have to call it. This is impossible to keep it. Your shirt's a mess from sneezing on you. I gotta buy you a new shirt.